Welcome again to Military Guna TV. Thank you for joining me, people. No, smash the like button. Yeah, smash the like button. Now go waste no time. Now waste no time. No time. We now waste no time, people. None at all. I'll jump straight into it. No, I don't understand what is happening with the JFF. I don't understand what's happening. No, I've received information this morning that the technical committee, it is not know that the technical committee wanted Tappa Whitmore, was informed the JFF that they should not further go along with Tappa Whitmore, and the JFF decided that, hey, let's go with him. Now, in due time, we have seen the situation where things look really, really bleaky right at this moment, extremely bleaky. I'm going to show you guys some insights in what would say was our last set of World Cup qualifiers. Let me. Good. I'm going to give you some insights, people. No, what I don't understand is this, people. This has to be the longest board meeting in the history of board meetings. The JFF said that a press release, that was the last thing that they said, maybe a couple of days ago, that a press release was imminent. A press release was imminent. That's the information. That's what they told us, that a press release was imminent. Now, how long is imminent? Is it 4 months, 3 months, 5 months, 6 months? I thought imminent would be like in short order. I believe that imminent would generally be in short order, but maybe JFF imminent and mine are have two different meaning. So at this point in time, Mr. Ricketts, you need to go. Tappa, you need to go. Dalton Wint, you need to go. That is the case. If nothing's happening, that means the technical staff, that you guys entrust all your decision making and the background checks in should go then, because obviously your technical committee, who literally you're the one who employed them, is not doing a good job. They are not doing a good job. That's all I can say. Because if you employ them to do a particular job, you employ the plumber to start out your bathroom and your kitchen piping, and the plumber did so and charge you and you paid him and you're quite comfortable. Yes, everything is good. But if you employ the plumber and the plumber come and fix light, you got question is, bro, I never employ for that. That's not what I employed you for. You come and fix light. Then no, you can say, okay, me don't need the services. But the mere fact that you employ a plumber and him come and assess your plumbing and say, this is needed, that is needed, this is needed, and then the rest is up to you. You should get them. So basically, the technical committee that the JFF employed is insufficient. Them already. Basically, let I say them already. Them decision making is not good enough for you guys. No. Let me show you guys something. This was the 2014 World Cup qualifiers campaign. These are the results and how things went on. So Tappa Whitmore took charge of 6 games. So it was a total of 10 games. Tappa Whitmore took charge of 6 games. 0 wins. He drew 2 games and he lost 4. And he was sacked with 4 games remaining. So he amounted 2 points out of possible 80. Well, out of 18 points. He only managed to amass 2 points. No, this is where Winfred Schaefer was employed, and Winfred Schaefer finished the campaign, whereas he played 4 games. He didn't get in win as well, and he drew 3 games and lost 1. And he amounted 3 points in 12 games. Now, obviously, he's just coming to the team, and he's still afforded to maximize and got 1 extra point in less games. 1 extra point in 2 less games. But that was the first red flag. I would say definitely that was the first red flag. Now, as you can see, that campaign was definitely not good enough as well. Now, let's move to this campaign. Theodore Tappa Whitmore, 8 games, 1 win, 4 draws, lost 3, 7 points, 6th on the table. 7 points out of 24, 18 points left on the table. Can we really make it on the Tappa Whitmore? So that is the question. Can we really make it on the Tappa Whitmore? And no. This man does not set up the team for us to win. He does set up the team for us to win games. And that is evident. He does not set up the team for us to win games. Tappa Whitmore should be sacked right now. That information should have released. The press release should have come out a long time ago. We are waiting too long. Give the new coach the opportunity. Give the new coach the opportunity to do his scouting, to get his team together, and so that when it comes to the later stages of the game, you don't have these issues. So the reports that I'm getting is that the sports minister and all these type of people who is in control of the finances and all these aspects in the government body is the reason why Tappa Whitmore is not sacked as yet. And if it should be a case in which politics is getting in the way of football, FIFA should know about it. FIFA should definitely know about it. And if FIFA should know about it, all those persons in the JFF is not a strong chance of losing their job. The technical committee, the president, whosoever any form of position, any position on the JFF board, Mr. Wint, everybody, every one of them would have lost their job. And the question is, why isn't the press release come out as yet? Where's that press release? Where's that imminent press release that we're waiting on? JFF, where is the imminent press release that we are waiting on? I didn't say it. You are the one who said it. Dalton Wynn said it. A press release is imminent. This has to be the longest board meeting in the history of board meeting. At that particular time, when they said that Tappa Whitmore was not sacked, fine. We can agree that it didn't reach the board as yet. So we're going to say it didn't reach the board as yet. So you're telling me that from the technical committee, it takes over a week for a file from the technical committee to reach the board of the JFF board members. Lies, man, lies. Then now you guys come out with your what do you call that now? What kind of tactics is that? When they want to try if it defer everybody, I try hide it. I can't even remember the tactics, but we know what they try to. When they come out, I can talk about Tappa Whitmore has his family. No one is abusing Tappa Whitmore family. Right across social media, I'm looking at all the comments. Nobody now abuse, not all of them, but I'm looking at a lot of comments. But nobody now abuse Tappa Whitmore and his family. All people are saying is Tappa out. That is the only thing that we're saying. Tappa out. Because we want JFF, if you believe that Tappa Whitmore is going to get 6 wins or even 4 wins, he only manage 1 in an 8 game. And at 6, you expect him to get 4. Hey, that is way beyond delusional. Listen, man, that is way beyond delusional. The time is now. The press release that should have come out already. Weeks have passed now, and we're still not see the press release. That press release should come out. The time is now. The time is now. So we can know the future, where the direction where the football is going. But as I said, people, I won't go any further. So these are what happened. These are the situation. Let me bring you back what happened at the last time when Tappa got sacked. He actually get way more games than he should get. 6 games. So he take over 50%. Take 60% of the games them. This time around, him already gone 60%. That's our 8. He gone how much games? 14 games, right? And he gone 8 games. He gone 60%. I will not see the light. There's no light. So we're not going to wait until it is mathematically impossible for go through to get it for the no, man. JFF, fix up, man. Fix up. People, smash the like button, people. Please smash the like button. I'm not going to go any further, but we're waiting on the press release. The so-called imminent press release. We're waiting on it. JFF, this has to be the longest board meeting. Has to be. I'm out.